Hello and welcome. Today I'm unboxing an Acer 27-inch monitor from the KA1 series. This is what I ordered, KA271. I've had some bad luck with screens I ordered by other makers from other sellers. The first one had a dead pixel, the second one never arrived. This one arrived within a day, that was nice. So let's open it up. Here we have already a VGA cable and part of a stand. I guess there will be no HDMI cable in here, but sorry about that, that was too quick. Let's take a look at the packaging first. First of all, we have instructions here, and this screen is full HD, mercury free. And what I really love is this guy. Comfy view, look at how happy he is. 300 CD per square meter, viewing angles, connectors, and here it is, KA271 BBID. Anyways, let's get it out. Well, right after we get out this with power cable. Wait a second, what? I did not order a British plug. Manuals and consumption information for the power. We're gonna open this up in a moment. Alright, so let's get it out like this. Okay, they just sent two different power connectors. That's free British power, I guess. Back here we have a platform secured with tape. We're just going to prepare this real quick before we take the screen out. So we just plug this in and turn, come on now, turn this. Nice. All right. Quite a big platform, but I like the rough texture. Or rather, no, we're gonna put it on the right way. Here it finally is. KA271 again. Now is a good moment to look at the documentation. Okay, we had this already. Contact information, warranty, something in Arabic. I think that's Turkish, and user guide. Very basic stuff. Looks like this is all we have for the assembly, because I don't think this is it. Because I can just, oh, okay. Well, it's really easy to slide it off. Oh, okay. If you look down there, you can see this piece. There are some pieces that are in the way. Up here it is a bit more clean. But down there I'll have to clean it up. Strange. That was rather easy with a screwdriver, so maybe I didn't actually do the thing that needs to be done. Let's see if it's better now. Ah, there we go. Finally, that satisfying sound. Alright, let's connect it up. You probably already saw. Down here we have VGA, DVI and HDMI. VGA also often called D-sub. And down here we have a power. Also, let's just check out this label. There we go. Power is in. HDMI cable was not included. Let's give it some juice without turning on the computer yet. Alright. Alright, separate power button, green Acer logo. Energy star. And that would be it. You can change the input here. It shows up over here. Yeah, no. Back to HDMI, please. No signal. Alright, time to turn on the computer. Time to check it for dead pixels. Nothing to be seen, that's nice. Unfortunately, this model doesn't allow changing the viewing angle, but that's okay. Now let's take a look at the menu. Alright, so on the right we have a power button. Don't touch that. Come on now. Every other button brings up the menu. Leftmost option is empowering technology. And we have standard, eco, user, graphics and movie. These are basically presets. Then we have auto, which seems to just exit the menu. We have this icon, which is picture controls, on-screen display, settings like wide mode and information, resolution and frequency, input selected and serial number. And we can change the input mode, set it to automatic, VGA, DVI or HDMI. Let's take a look at this, this menu here. So we have picture, Acer e-color management. Okay, we had that. We have blue light, which we can change to off 80%, 70%, 60%, 50% or off, as I said. We have brightness and contrast settings. We have color temperature, which can be warm or cool, or user or blue light. Again, warm, cool, user, blue light. We have 6-axis hue. Let's get out of this. We have 6-axis saturation. Let's get out and keep going. This is on-screen display. We can change the language and the timeout. These are the settings. We have wide mode. What are the other options? Full aspect, full. Okay, so we can, I guess if the resolution is not 16 by 90 aspect, then we can stretch it with full, which let's keep it like that. Then DDC/CI, no idea what that is. Let's just leave it. ACM, off or on. Automatic contrast management perhaps? I don't know, I'll have to look it up. Input, HDMI, okay, we can set input here as well. HDMI, VGA, DVI, HDMI. We have no automatic option here. Automatic source is on or off. Yeah, let's set it to off. I don't know. Quick start mode, off. I don't know, what's that? Off or on? I don't know. Not sure what that would be. And reset settings. And that would be it. Alright, let's get rid of some of the tape now then. After using it for one day, I decided not to keep the screen and returned it to get a different one instead. First up, not being able to change the angle of the screen is too annoying, especially because it's not completely straight. The stand in general seems a bit too wobbly, and I have multiple issues with the colors. First, on the edges, there is a strong discoloration, which to me indicates a very old or a really bad screen, unfortunately. Second, if I sit in front of the left edge of a screen, which is necessary in a two-screen setup, and I look in front of me and on the right-hand side of the screen, then a gray area on a website, for example, will be gray in front of me, but bluish on the right-hand side. And speaking of blue, in general, the blue color tones I really didn't like with the screen. My 5-year-old screen is better at showing these. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to support this channel, and I will see you next time. Ciao!